balloon?
I think the flower did a balloon, and I'm sending it up to heaven.
You're the sweetest.
Sweetest.
Tim, what's on your balloon?
Oh, purple flower. I'm sending up to Papa Lou. She's sending up to Grandma Lee.
Very sweet, you guys.
Can I open the door?
All right, go ahead.
Can you open the door? Here you go, Papa Lou. There goes my...
Let Berkeley do hers for Grandma Lee.
What the? Ah, it's not going.
Oh, the flower might be too heavy. That's okay. That one will go. It's okay. Here, it's okay. Let's just get a lighter flower is all.
Come on.
Is it going? That's nice you guys sent those flowers up.